After inspecting to find out where the leak was coming from, I found this piece underneath the faucet in the kitchen and noticed there was some damage on it. The water was spraying out of that little abrasion area that you see because it was rubbing up against the hot water line. I went to the local Lowe's to see if I can get a replacement, but I couldn't find the piece to replace. So I had to remove and replace the whole faucet. There was a lot of corrosion down there, so I had to spray WD-40. I managed to spray enough WD-40 to get the one screw to move, but that wasn't enough. The turnbuckle was still corroded onto itself, and I couldn't get it to move. One of the efforts that I made was to bang on it. I got it to move a little bit, but I needed somebody to hold I was able to get somebody to hold the faucet up top from moving, because at one point the turnbuckle and the faucet were moving together. So when I got somebody to hold the faucet, I was able to remove the turnbuckle. There was a lot of corrosion. Since this faucet, who knows how long it had been there. I don't know how long it had been installed. Eventually, I got this thing off. And just like that, I was able to remove the faucet. There was a little bit of a challenge with the new faucet. I had to run back to Lowe's to get different hoses, because the old hoses would not fit. This is me measuring the old hose, to make sure that I have the right sizes. The new sizes would be a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. And just like that, everything was installed. No more leaks, at least not for now.